Make your morning coffee smoother with these simple ingredients. Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best coffee creations from around the world. Today, we're serving up a delightful and creamy treat, the coffee smoother. Whether you're looking for a comforting morning pick-me-up or an afternoon indulgence, our coffee smoother recipe is here to satisfy your coffee cravings. Get ready to awaken your taste buds with the perfect blend of rich coffee, frothy milk, and a touch of sweetness. Trust us, this one's a game changer. But before we dive into the brewing process, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss any of our exciting coffee adventures. Ingredients: 1 cup freshly brewed strong coffee, 1/2 cup milk, whole milk, almond milk, or any milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon honey, adjust to taste, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, whipped cream, optional, cocoa powder or cinnamon powder for garnish, optional. Instructions. Do you want something that truly stands out and captures the essence of the spooky season? Well, look no further. Introducing the Halloween coffee cup, will send shivers down your spine and leave you craving for more. Prepare to be enchanted by the captivating gothic girl who effortlessly blends magic, mystery, and coffee into a spine-tingling experience. Watch as the girl, with her striking red eyes, sips her favorite hot beverage, transporting you to a realm where darkness meets beauty. Feel the goosebumps rise on your skin as you witness the enchanting contrast between her dark attire and the vibrant nature surrounding her. Experience the perfect blend of happiness and Halloween vibes, as you join our gothic girl on a journey through the eerie ambiance of the season. Let the lush green grass and the mysterious atmosphere cast their spell on you, leaving you mesmerized and craving for more. Link in description: https://tinyurl.com/HalloweenCup2023. Brew a cup of strong coffee using your preferred method, espresso machine, French press, or pour over. In a small saucepan, heat the milk over medium-low heat until it's warm. Be careful not to boil the milk. Pour the warm milk into a blender and add the brewed coffee, honey, ground cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Blend the mixture on low speed until everything is well combined and frothy. Taste the coffee smoother and adjust the sweetness by adding more honey if needed. Pour the smooth coffee mixture into a mug. Optionally, top the coffee smoother with a dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of cocoa powder or cinnamon powder for an extra touch of indulgence. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious and comforting coffee smoother. We hope you enjoyed brewing up this coffee smoother with us today. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more coffee adventures. For those who tried this recipe, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your coffee smoother experience in the comments below. Thanks for being a part of our coffee-loving community. Remember, every cup of coffee tells a story, and we can't wait to explore more with. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description: https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.